Little Froggie is not very well today and he's been to the vet. He's been having some subcutaneous fluids. A bit perkier, aren't you though? His parents are plucking him. You can see his elbows missing some feathers. You see the little holes where they've been. But at this stage I need the parents to feed him so they can keep him temporarily, and then I'll pull him for hand feeding when he's a little bit older. We think he might have a crop infection, so he's on some antibiotics. He's been really quite poorly. He hasn't been able to lift his head up, but look, he looks a lot better with a little bit of fluid. Don't you? Yeah, good boy. Yeah, look at you. Good boy. Look at his little crest growing. Yeah, and look how his eyes are really wide open now. Okay, Froggie, you need to gain some weight by tomorrow. His parents are feeding him. Have a look at that. Look at that fat full crop. Hey, let's see how you go tomorrow.